got more weight. That might help me on the downhill.
I don't know. Does it?
I don't know.
I think it does. Oh.
Yeah, I did the same thing. I saw these young ones coming and I was like, oh.
Whew, that was fast.
That was a good run.
Hell yeah.
Go down to the next one, guy. Okay, go ahead.
Huh?
All right, let's go. Let me know.
What are we doing? Oh, that's me. Hold on, might be Dan. Oh yeah. Hey Dan. How you doing?
Yeah, my binding on my skis broke.
Wow. So where are you now? What's up?
We went downtown with Pete there.
I'll find a spot.
To make it harder to steal them when they're...
Here, you want to hold that for a minute?
I just rented a pair.
Are you splitting them up?
Yeah. And we're getting a ski pass from Pete now.
Yeah, it's kind of nice. Don't feel bad too bad today. We can cut a little extra.
Okay. We're just stopped at the bar, the one we always go to, and we're heading on in. Yodeler. Okay, we're at Yodeler. Okay, give us about 15-20 minutes, call us back.
All right. Cool. Well, that worked out good. Just as soon as we got here, my phone went off.
Yeah, perfect time.
Hell yeah.
Are those Reynolds?
Yeah.
I don't know about you, or I don't know if the ice is coarse and bumpy. My skis are cutting on the ice pretty good.
Yeah.
Sometimes the ice isn't ice. Sometimes it's,
We haven't had long stretches.
And we haven't
You
had long
might have to
stretches.
do a turn. Usually it's like
Well, and my see, when my legs are more tired, kind of coming down the mountain sideways.
Yeah.
Because I'm getting tired of cutting.
Yeah.
If your skis are a little more downhill, then the ice doesn't get you as badly either.
Yeah.
And I'm feeling a little better today, so I'm more just. But yeah, I haven't had my ski fly out from underneath me.
Independence was good this year. Last year, a few seconds of ice on Independence.
Al, you want one of these?
No, no, thanks, Matt. No, I'm good.
You guys go ahead then. I'll meet you in there. You go. Is this the one with the upstairs?
Yes.
Matt, you want us to order you a beer, or what do you want? You know, Bloody Mary, beer.
What do you call the Canadian drink?
Oh, Moscow Mule? Oh, no.
Oh, Caesar.
Caesar. Yeah, I'll do a Caesar. Yeah. Thank you guys.
Okay.
You like it spicy too, right? The
Not
spice
too spicy.
vegetable?
Yeah, I don't like it too
Okay.
spicy. I mean, I like the taste of them. I don't like the.
All right. All right. I gotcha.
Oh, yeah. That was fun. All right, so this is the lodge. One of the 5 lodges. But it is pretty darn big. 2 floors. This is obviously downstairs. A little food area there. And then we have the upstairs. This is great because it's not that crowded. I've come here before and it's been wall to wall people.